Hey everyone, it's Liz, and I wanted to give you just a quick update video to the video I did a couple of weeks ago called Lake Las Vegas Construction 2022. So one of my subscribers, Rolando, he messaged me and told me about another community that's getting ready to start that I had no idea about because, again, there is no signage and nothing advertised off of Lake Las Vegas Parkway. So I decided to get my running shoes on and come over here and take a look for myself. And yes, there is another builder that is getting ready to come into Lake Las Vegas. So the purpose of this video is just to kind of add on to the construction video I did a couple of weeks ago. And again, if you're someone who's looking to get into Lake Las Vegas, there is another new community. I'll show you the name of the builder soon. You can go and possibly look at their website or try to contact a salesperson, at least find out what their starting price points are going to be, what type of floor plans, and when they are going to break ground. All right, so let's get started with this video. So when you enter into the community of Lake Las Vegas from Lake Mead Parkway, you're gonna make a right-hand turn on a street called Strada Casano. This is the same street that you would turn onto if you were going to the Armano community that I pointed out in my community tour, where they have some really nice lots that have great strip views from some of them that are right along the street. Now, to get to this community that we're trying to find, it's not even advertised. There are not any signs on the parkway yet. We are going to walk all the way up this street to that hill that's back there, or a little mountain, and let's take a look at what is going on up there. Taylor Morrison and Lennar building to the left. I don't know if those communities are complete yet or how far along they are. We are going to continue walking up this hill towards the very back. All right, we got quite a walking incline coming up around the corner here. Okay, I'm almost there. Maybe about 2/3 of the way up. On this side of the road, you can see that step pattern, which is where they have sectioned out some future home sites or lots. Okay, I thought we were almost there. Looks like we have quite a little bit to go. And yes, of course, I could have driven my car up here, but I need the exercise. So why not just walk up a tall hill to nowhere? Do a quick turnaround. Such a gorgeous view from up here. Okay, I can't stop. Gotta keep going. If you guys are still watching at this point, please go ahead and give me a like for effort. I'm doing this for you guys. Wow. A complete view of this strip from right here. Okay. Are you wondering what builder is going to be breaking ground soon and putting more beautiful homes in Lake Las Vegas with fantastic views of the strip and the entire Vegas Valley? It is William Lyon Homes. Project acreage, 28.7 acres. Now, I don't know if that is everything that we're looking at here, because you can tell that a lot of lots have been sectioned off on both sides of this road. So I don't know if another builder is coming in. Let's just keep going. There's two ways to go here. We can make a right or we can go straight. Straight is blocked off, but we're gonna make a right and go this way. From this viewpoint, look at what you can see. Those cars traveling down there, that is Lake Mead Parkway, and they are heading towards Lake Mead. And you have the boat and storage facility. as well as a place that rents bicycles. All along here, along this bluff, you can see future home site lots that have been divided. They are in that kind of stepped pattern. And even if you look down into that bowl-shaped area, you can see roughly what looks like some more lots that have been divided out. Another step pattern there. Let's go all the way down this road. So here we are. This particular street dead ends. As you can see, in the future there might possibly be a continuation of this road towards Lake Mead, and then also another continuation of this road maybe to Lake Mead Parkway, or perhaps this dirt road is just an access road for the future construction vehicles that are going to be coming up here hauling all of their materials and such. And from this point of view, again, you see Lake Mead Parkway there. There is the boat storage facility, and way out here is that area called the Wheel of Misfortune. It's an old closed down mining type of area, I believe, but ever since then different graffiti artists have gone out there, decorated it, put some really interesting artwork. I have not done a video on it. There are others on YouTube that have done videos on the Wheel of Misfortune, if that's something you might be interested in checking out one day. Obviously free to get to. You just park your car and carefully walk over there. All right, so now we're going to head back up to where we saw the sign and the other road that was blocked off. So I'm now back at the intersection where the street is blocked off. No cars have access to it, but since I'm on foot, I'm going to go investigate. So look at this nicely, beautifully paved road leading to some mystery spot around the corner up there. And again, look at this view from up here. Totally amazing. It's a beautiful sunny day. There's a nice slight breeze. It's in the 50s right now. Oh, so gorgeous. All right, let's keep going. They already have their Henderson sewer hooked up. What is around the corner here? I hope there's no mystery animal. I think we're almost to the top of this hill, and hopefully we'll be able to see if this walk was worth it. What is coming up here? Well, there's some more stepped home sites. Huh. And then a sign doing a 45 and another 45. Okay, well, at least it's starting to go downhill from this point. Downhill. They even have a speed limit sign. Huh, they're just all ready to go. All right, well, it just keeps going. I think I'm only gonna walk so far, like up to that white container, and then I'm gonna turn around. Let's see if we can see what's down there. It looks like the road keeps winding down all the way over to another construction site with some trucks over there, and I see a little brown hut. That's as far as I'm gonna go, and then I'm gonna turn around. I'm starting to freak myself out. I'm sure there's another development going on down there, but that's something I'll show you probably when I have someone with me, or I at least have my golf cart or something. Okay. Back down this track the way I came. All right, I'm making my descent back down the windy road to nowhere, and this is the beautiful view from up here. You can see the entire Vegas Valley, including the strip over there. I know I said this earlier, but it is just so peaceful here. If you've thought about or even remotely considered possibly moving to Lake Las Vegas, but you have not been out here, please come and take a visit out here. Take a look around. It's really beautiful. It's a friendly community. There's a lot to do, and there is so much building going on. I mean, if you can't find the home of your dreams today, it'll probably be available in the next 5 to 6 months. Just keep looking. Making my descent down that long, windy road to nowhere. Well, I'm sure it led somewhere, but I was just actually too chicken to follow it all the way down. I've never been over there before, so. All right, let's keep on going. And there is one other thing I want to show you before I conclude this video. So this is the community of Kaliza, and there are 3 lots left. Even though it doesn't look like there's much building going on right now, but there are only 3 available lots left. And believe it or not, some of these home sites, the lot premium was as much as $860,000, and that's just for the lot premium. So you add that on top of the price of the house. And this is the area where the island is. As you can see, it is completely blocked off now, so no cars can drive on there. And the sign is down that said the island. Looks like they had to move it so they can dig a huge trench down there. There's a very, very large pipe. Don't know if it's for water or what it is, but yep, they are still diligently at work putting the island together. And there is yet another new community coming in. So if you go all the way up past the Del Webb community, you continue on up this hill. Hopefully we'll make it because once again the golf cart is dying. Okay, looks like we're gonna make it. Here is where a new community is going to be. I'll tell you the name in just a moment. I'm going to give you a better view, but there's only going to be 19 homes here. It's located right across from the community called Reverie by Lennar. All right, so right now we just entered into the community of Reverie by Lennar. Right across the street here, all of those home sites perched up on the bluff. We're gonna try to drive up there right now. All right, so here's the entrance. The street isn't even paved yet. We're not gonna attempt to go in here on the golf cart because it feels like it's getting ready to die anyways. But yeah, so this is where a new Blue Heron community is going to be built. Like I said, there's only going to be 19 homes, and they're going to be built here, elevated on this hillside, which I'm assuming you will be able to have a view of the lake over all of these houses here. As I mentioned before, Blue Heron puts out a very, very nice product. Beautiful, modern, upscale homes. I'm sure they're not going to be cheap either, but this is another new community coming into Lake Las Vegas. It's always exciting stuff going on here with all of this construction. And I just realized that there's actually 2 ways to enter into the new community of Blue Heron that's going to be built. Right here, we have Lake Las Vegas Parkway and Highland Shores. So you really don't even have to go all the way to the end to pass Del Webb to get to where the new community is. If you come down Lake Las Vegas Parkway, turn onto Highland Shores, right where you see the Reverie sign, and you just keep going up the hill, that's where you'll be able to find the new community as well. So it looks like there's going to be 2 entrances to get to the community. If you've made it this far, thank you again for watching another one of my videos. I really appreciate it. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up for a like, at least for my effort, guys. Come on. I have gone 4.75 miles so far, and I still have yet to get home. So give me a like for the effort. And if you're interested in being notified whenever I publish a new video, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And by the way, I have surpassed 100 subscribers. I'm so thrilled. Thank you so much for everyone who has subscribed. I really appreciate it. Now my next goal is 1,000, and we'll get there. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you again soon.